Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine. Got this Egret in today. Really nice boat. Suzuki on it. Little tower and everything. Adding some rod holders to her. We got them all cut and now just fitting them. We got them all laid out. We got them cut. We're doing our 45s. We're actually 30 degree, and then we're going to notch out for the little indent on the rod holder. Just got an engine interface out on this that we're going to replace and possibly service the motor. We got to look back in our records and see what his hours are now. So that's what we got going on today. This one was in for a steering cylinder. This one's in for a list. It's a rebuilt over there. This was in for a list. This one's done. This brand new Pathfinder looks familiar. We did the radar power poles. We installed a secondary transducer on it and also put an amplifier in it. So our boy here could listen to the tunes while he's running. So that's what we got going on. Well, we also added some more rod holders on this one too. Rod holder week. Stay tuned, guys.